Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to go step by step of how I recreated this Mario Badescu facial spray. Um, I read out and I was looking at the ingredients and I'm like, I could make that at home. Okay, some of these ingredients I already had at home and then the other stuff I got from Whole Foods. So if you want to see how I created my own DIY facial spray, then just keep on watching this video. Some of the ingredients that you'll need is rose water, vegetable glycerin, rose petals, witch hazel, and then you'll need some type of glass bottle, or it doesn't have to be glass actually, just any type of bottle. I use this glass bottle I got from Whole Foods. It was like $1.50. So roses have a therapeutic benefit that relaxes the body, reduces stress, and it also promotes glowing skin. So it has natural oils and sugar that penetrate dry skin cells. So you just grab some and stuff it into the bottle. You can omit this if you want, like the petals aren't necessarily necessary, but it's just a nice touch to add to it, as long as you have the rose water. So rose water helps maintain the skin's pH balance. It controls excess oils. It has anti-inflammatory properties, reduces skin redness, skin irritation, heals scars, and then it also just enhances your mood. You can just spray rose water around your room and I swear it will like lift up your spirits. So this was a great thing to add. I did everything pretty much like by eye. I think you can just tell, like, based off the size of your bottle, of how much of each thing to put in, but it's going to be mostly the rose water. So just go ahead and pour that up.
I ain't got the time. I be busy on the move. People wonder how I made it here. They see me paying dues. I was living check to check. Now I'm whipping something new. Better pay me my respect.
Next thing you'll need is witch hazel, which is an astringent, effective when applied directly to the skin. It tightens the skin, reduces swelling, helps repair broken skin, and it also fights bacteria. So I put, let's say, probably about a third of witch hazel into there. Like I said, it's mostly rose water. I find that the witch hazel has a strong smell. Actually, I look like a little bit more than a third. Okay, I'm still pouring. Put less than I just did. Yeah, stick to a third. And then the last ingredient is vegetable glycerin. Vegetable glycerin locks into skin and it softens, smooths, and soothes the skin's complexion. It also has a pH that's closely matched to the pH of your skin, which is nice, especially for people that have sensitive skin. I hear a lot of different things about vegetable glycerin used on your face. To me, it helped the product work better as a setting spray. So this is another thing that you can also omit if you're not comfortable. But I did look up like the skin safety of vegetable glycerin, and it sounds fine to me. To each his own. But the next thing you're going to do is just, make sure it's tight and then shake it up. It wasn't much else to it. I use this as a setting spray. I use this as just daily rejuvenation. I feel like my skin is dry. Sometimes when I feel my skin is irritated, it helps calm it. I believe you can also probably add aloe to it. I didn't add it to mine, but if you have like some aloe vera juice, you can just add that to it. And then there you go, there's your spray. And that's it for today's video. I thank you guys for watching. Comment down below if you've ever made your own facial spray. Okay, you can go ahead and like this video if you liked it. Subscribe to my channel. And thank you guys again for watching. Bye-bye.
Don't give me granola. I might turn my back on you, beach like Corona, Beamer or Corolla. Can't fuck up my aura. I got so much balls.